Today, we'll be taking a look at the door catch on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and open the door. Now, you have clear access to the door catch. Now, the purpose of the door catch is it has these, almost like these little teeth right here. They're pushing in, and when the door closes, there is a pin on the door that will go in those teeth, and it keeps the door closed. If they get wore down, it will not clasp around the pin and cause it to let the door open and not stay closed properly. If it is broken inside, obviously it will need to be replaced. In order to do so, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws. Next, you want to use something to kind of go underneath there to pull it out. Pull out on the catch and set it to the side. When installing your new catch, first we'll just slide it in, get it lined up, and then install the 2 Phillips screws. Make sure the door closes correctly, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.